Jefferson City. And this public garage that's right off of Madison Street is actually going to be torn down soon because they're building a convention center and hotel on this plot of land. This is an elevator I always used to film all the time when I was here. So, I guess we're going to jaywalk.
And final ride. My first and final ride.
And this will almost certainly be my final ride because I think they're going to start construction on this like later this year. We have to go in over here.
They even have the construction signs. Here's the elevator. Let's go up to 5.
Majestic.
All right, send us down to 1. We also have the very useful phone door. Kind of sad this thing's going to go away.
Bye-bye garage.